I am about to show you how to distress paint this wall. It measures about 4 feet by 9 feet, and I use this measuring tool for very accurate measurements. Then I translated the wall measurements onto the graph paper according to the design that I had in my mind. Later, I cleaned and taped the wall for very crisp lines. I used a shade Mushroom by Behr paint to paint the wall. First coat, second coat. Then I stamped the wall. I simply took black paint and brushed it all over the stamp and then applied it onto the wall. I added more details with various stamps. Later I made resin molds. They cure in 10 minutes. Then I made a grid using a level. And I tried different options of mold designs on the wall. I painted many molds for the wall. And at the top I've left some space for the plate that is going to go over there. So this is what I'm doing. I'm just dipping my cloth in here and then going on like this, or you can also go on like this, depending on the look you want and how much beige you want to be showing. So I'm also doing the same thing with a little bit of beige, and so that like it's completely, distressed in some places. You're gonna see I'm trying to blend them as well. I'll show you how it comes out later at the end. So this is what it looks like so far. Next, for the middle, I'm going to go with dark blue and then light blue over it, and then I'll see if I want to go with beige or with white over it. So same, I'm going to keep dabbing diluted paint. So I'm going to try it at the bottom because this is going to be the least visible area. The desk is going to come here. So I'm thinking of going with this all over, and then with the lighter shade all over, and then we'll see how we feel about it. So I just dabbed this dark blue paint all over, and now I'm going to go with the lighter shade on the inside. With the second layer, now I'm going to go again with the dark blue. So now I think this was very choppy and this looks quite blended, and this is the look I'm going for. So I'm going to this is what I'm doing actually, that I have taken very diluted mushroom shade and I am going all over the wall and just rubbing it, blending it all over the paint for a more subtle look, like a more blended look than a choppy look like this. So this is just blending everything together, and I like this more. I'm going to show it at the end. Finally, I started putting up my molds on the wall using hot glue, and it was done. Finally, you just decorate the way you want.